Dash, you're doing the honors this time. Okay. Dash, where are you? I'm getting out, you moron. Okay, Dash, don't go berserk. Hello there, ladies and jellyfish. This is Dash and Mr. Panda Pizza from Elevators of 14S, coming to you from Sector 47A. Hello, Dash. Where are we? We're in Atlanta, Georgia, in Technology Square in the downtown, and we're staying at the Georgia Tech Hotel and Conference Center. Let's take a look at Technology Square first. You know, I would declare you can't see much, but there's reasons why I can't declare that. There's the technology store for Georgia Tech right there. Barnes & Noble over there. And then there's Crum & Foster building, that little one right there. And then right behind it is this huge building. See if we can zoom in on that Georgia Tech way up there. Yeah, that's what I like to call a good logo. It's a really interesting building. I wonder what's in there. Anyways, this is going to be a cute little lobby elevator at the Georgia Tech Hotel and Conference Center in Atlanta, Georgia. It probably used to be glass at some point. I'm not sure. Just like every single elevator here, it's a ThyssenKrupp traditional, except this one has door problems and hydraulic. Indicators on this one. Completely out. And yes, that was flatulence. It's like a little conference area up here. Not much to see. I'll demonstrate the door problem that this thing has. Did it just leave? I'm sure. Anyways, if you plan on going anywhere near Georgia Tech and don't know where to stay, make sure y'all check this place out. This place is extremely nice. Here it comes.
16 paranoia-filled days later.
I think it parks down in one, that's the thing. Oh, I didn't get it on camera, but I've not looked at the main elevators yet, but I have seen Music Freak CC's video of it. Be up there. Pretty nice elevator. Very stable. Certificate. There's no number. 19/7004. Do some O facing here, but there it goes, and that'll be it.